Welcome to the Vesper dashboard, the control center for all commodity data. Every price, every forecast, every market indicator lives here organized in these charts that we call widgets. You can track spot prices, monitor future curves, analyze fundamentals. Whatever quantitative data you need, you'll find it here. And the best part, you can build unlimited custom dashboards to organize this data exactly how you need it. Whether it's preparing for a specific meeting, for an update, or maybe for a certain supplier negotiation, you can create a custom dashboard tailored to just that situation. Let me show you how to build them yourself. If you press the plus button over here, it's going to ask you to give your dashboard a new name, and we'll use this one, and then we'll press create, and you'll be met with an empty screen. From here, of course, very easy, press add widget to add widgets. If you already know what you're looking for instance, a weather chart, you can select it over here, but usually the easy starting point is over here on the commodity screen. Here you can search on the specific product that you're going to work with. Let's say you're looking for butter data, and then you'll select from the list the butter that you actually need. And from here, you're going to find all of the different data that we have for each different region or country. Let's say, in this case, we'll search at the top for United States, and we're interested in both the prices, but we also like to have some fundamentals, and let's also do the technical indicators. Maybe add the forecast just to be sure. Then we'll select these widgets. It's going to preview which ones it's going to add. Let's say I want forecasting for prices, but stock and production levels I don't really care about. Leave this one out, leave this one out. So choose the ones that I actually want. I'm going to press add it to dashboard. And now in the left bar, you're going to see the widgets that I've actually added. And once it's loaded, it's very easy to either navigate using the left bar or just to scroll down and go to all different widgets. And what you're going to see, they're all pre-filled with butter data. If you want to edit your dashboard, in the top right corner, you can very easily go here and you can rearrange all of the widgets that you have on your screen and press done. And if you want to add more widgets to the screen, the easiest thing to do is go to the search function over here. And in this case, you might say, I already know which one I want. I want to add that weather map we just discussed. And I either save it as a new dashboard or I add it to a dashboard. I select the dashboard I want to add the weather chart to. And lo and behold, you're going to find now in this same dashboard the weather map, which you can use to find, in this case, once again, the US data.